Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to a tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have a square tan t square, a square, a square. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have a secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. The s we change by this one. This one we have a square tan t square. So a square, we can do about factorization. Next, tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square. The square root of a square secant of t square, we have a secant of t. Next, a and a, we have a square. Now, I will concentrate about this integration. So, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I will put about u equals to secant of t. And later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. And we have du equals to secant of t tan t dt. dv, we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one, we have v equal to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v. So we have secant of t tan t minus we have du multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. Next, this one we change secant of t square minus 1. So secant of t multiplied by secant of t square and negative number 1. Negative with negative, we have positive. And we know that this one equals to this one. So I will put this one go to the right. And we have positive in here. So this one plus this one, we have number 2. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t. And I will put about c. Now, we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, about t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by a. So we have t equals to arctan of s over 8. So I will put this one to change for t. Next, tan with arctan, we have s over 8. So I will put this one in here. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.